So you can serve it with cream, you can serve it with ice cream. Hi guys, if today is your first day on this channel, you are very welcome, and please do not leave without pressing the subscribe button, and please press the notification button. And to my returning subscribers, thank you very much for coming back. Thanks for watching me, and thanks for the support. God bless you. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you very much. And to those that are watching that have not subscribed, please take it to a little bit further by subscribing to this channel. Thank you very much for doing that. And today I'm going to make a apple crumble. The ingredients are, this is cooking apple, Bramley apples. So I have 4 packs, and I have my plain flour there. I'm going to use plain flour, not self-raising. You don't use self-raising for this type of recipe for apple crumble.
I can't think nothing better than spending my day with you. My life sunny and better, girl.
So now I want to start boiling my apple. You can use your sugar as you want to your taste, but I'm going to use like 6, because normally the apple is sour, so I have to use enough sugar to make it tasty. So I'm going to use 5 demerara and 3 white sugar. That's 4. I think that's 4, isn't it? And 5. And this will be 3. Then I'll put a little bit of water, and we'll boil it for 5 to 7 minutes. Just cook it for 5 to 7 minutes. Not to make it. So I'm going to cook it for 7 minutes. While the apple is cooking, I'm going to prepare the crust. I have here 400 grams of butter. I have 800 grams of plain flour. And I have 350 grams of demerara and white sugar. And I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. So into my bowl, my big bowl, I'll pour my flour, cut in my butter. We're going to rub it together. We are not going to mix too much. We're going to rub it together nicely with soft hand, because we just want to, we are aiming to get breadcrumb. We want it to look like breadcrumb. That's what we're aiming for. So you just rub it nicely in your hand, and this sugar will come. Watch me. Easy does it. So we keep rubbing it until we get our desired look, which is to be like breadcrumb. We want it to be like breadcrumb. Now I'm going to add sugar. Cinnamon. Now that is it. All done. So I'm going to go check our apple now and see if it is cooked. Then we start layering. We'll top it up with our apple with the crumbs. This is our, so I'm going to put them in the oven now for 25-30 minutes until it is golden brown actually. So our apple crumble is ready, well cooked. Now that is our finished apple crumble. So we're going to allow it to settle to cool for 20 minutes. Then we can now cut it. I'll let you see. So please guys, subscribe to our channels for you to be able to see a lot of different yummy recipes. Please subscribe. Now guys, look at our lovely apple crumble. It's beautiful. Yeah. So you can serve it with cream, you can serve it with ice cream, whatever you feel like, or custard. It's gorgeous.